All right, so for questions 5 through 7, we have this table of data. We've got here in the input column, we've got years since 2007, that's T, and in the output column, we've got number of cable subscribers in millions, and that's C. And we're asked to find a linear regression model for these data. Now, in class, I'll show you how to input this into your calculator and create a linear regression model. But notice for this question, we don't need to be able to put this into a calculator and create a linear regression model, because all we have to do is notice that between these answer choices, the rate of change here, what's happening with the cable subscribers is that the number of cable subscribers is going down. So the rate of change is going to be negative. So we know it's got to be either A or C that has a negative rate of change. And then the initial value is going to be around 65, and that's got to be positive. We don't have a negative number of cable subscribers. There's going to be a positive number of cable subscribers. That's our initial value. Remember, this is a linear function. This is going to be in the form y equals mx plus b. So this first number here, that's our rate of change. This last number, that's our initial value. So we know that the rate of change is going to be negative. The initial value is going to be positive. So the answer has got to be C. And let me put that equation up here. That's going to be C of t, the number of cable subscribers with respect to time, is equal to negative 1.84 t plus 65.38. All right, so question 6 says, using this model, interpret the practical meaning of the slope. So the slope is the rate of change. So that's this number right here, negative 1.84. Now remember, the number of cable subscribers was given to us in millions. So what this means is that every year the number of cable subscribers is going down. That's because it's negative. It's going down by 1.84 million subscribers. And so that would be B. The number of cable subscribers is decreasing by 1.84 million. All right, number 7. Use the linear regression model to predict the number of cable subscribers in 2020. So remember that T was the number of subscribers since in each year. T is the number of years since 2007. So to find the number of cable subscribers in 2020, that's 13 years since 2007. So we're just going to plug in 13 for T. And when we plug that into our calculator, we're going to get 41.46, which is 41,460,000, because again, C is given to us in millions of subscribers. So the answer for number 7 is going to be C, 41,460,000.